In the mud-soaked streets of 13th century London, a group of craftsmen accidentally pulled off the greatest financial heist in human history. Their ultimate goal? To engineer an invincible system that protected their treasure from the lawless, blood-stained reality of the Middle Ages. Before this accidental revolution, gold was the only currency, but carrying it was a literal death sentence. To stay alive, merchants began surrendering their life savings to local goldsmiths, the only men with secure stone vaults and iron-bound locks. In return, they were given simple paper receipts, but the illusion shattered when the world realized these slips of paper were lighter, safer, and faster to trade than the metal itself. Then came the masterstroke of accidental greed. A goldsmith discovered his vault was completely empty, stolen, or lost, yet his receipts were still circulating as money. Instead of panicking, he realized the ultimate secret. As long as everyone didn't demand their gold at once, the gold didn't even need to exist. They successfully